At NIBE, we have more than 1,000 dedicated co-workers designing, building and delivering high-end products to our customers every day. How do we keep things running smooth, ensuring that every unit that leaves our factory floors upholds the world-class quality that NIBE is famous for? To us, the secret is a passion for details and a balance between innovation and human expertise. A majority of our components are custom-built in our factories in Markaryd, from sheet metal details and hot water cylinders to cooling modules and water heaters, all manufactured in our fine-tuned production lines. Parts of our production are largely automated to create a safe and efficient workflow. However, some delicate steps, such as soldering and assembly, are still only trusted to the hands of our skilled colleagues. We believe that this balance is what ensures that our customers receive the best possible product. It's important to us to test every product that leaves our factories, and we have a rigorous testing process with in-house developed equipment. All products undergo meticulous leak detection and high-voltage tests to verify their electrical safety before a final performance test. This ensures us that our clients receive a safe product with a long lifespan that lives up to our high standards of quality. When products are quality assured, they are handed off to final assembly, packed and shipped to our own warehouse. Here they wait to be sent to their final destination, the heart of our customers' homes.